So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a sunset using the warm colors, that is red, orange and yellow. Alright, so let's click on the new. Then we are here on our canvas. So let's select our red color. You can start painting with any color. The warm colors, red, orange or yellow. So I'm going to pick red, and then we're going to select the spray can tool, increase the thickness opacity to 100, increase the thickness to 158, and then I'm going to paint. I'll increase the thickness a bit to make it bigger and faster. So I'm going to paint on the top, then I'll select orange, then any color. So let's select orange and then let's spray here. Sorry, so we'll spray here, and then let's select yellow, and then we'll do same here. So yes, let's paint to the down. Let's paint to the down. So after this, then you select your pixel pen. So pixel pen, then increase the thickness and opacity to 100, and select black and the color. And all right, so let's Ctrl Z. Let's make the thickness a little bit thinner. Okay, this is too thick. Okay, that's what I want. So I'll draw this ground floor like this. Okay, and I'm going to increase the thickness and then to 60%, and then draw here like that. So I'm going to make sure that it fits the ground floor well. Okay, so yeah, okay, all right, okay, all right, so this is cool. So do something like this, and all right, so this is fine. So now I'll draw my trees. So I'll decrease the thickness again and opacity to 100, and then draw a tree. Just so you know, I'm using my mouse for this. So meaning that if you don't have a graphics tablet, you can use your computer mouse for it. It's nothing too difficult. All right, so there's my tree. And I'm going to draw the leaves here. So draw the leaves here like this. Make it thicker here, and do same for the other side here, and then do another one here. All right, so do a little one. Okay, so draw like a coconut. So do one here, and then create another one here as well. Wow. All right, so let's create our sunset. You can choose the orange color, the spray can, and then increase the thickness. Yes, increase the thickness, and then increase the thickness again. I'm going to click, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. So I'll click here, double click, continue to click. So continue to click on this area, select the yellow, and then click OK. Select white, and then alright. So yeah, select the orange again, click again, select the yellow, click again, and I'll select the white and then do it once again. Alright, so this is not bad. We can draw our grasses using the pixel pen. So select the pixel pen, or choose the black color, select the pixel pen and draw. Reduce the thickness and draw your grasses. So small should be very small. Okay. So yeah, can have fun with it. Alright, so yeah, so just wait. So let's draw another tree again using the pixel pen, and yeah, okay. So I'm going to decrease the thickness of the pixel pen and then draw the leaves here again, and then increase the value. Okay, so now do it here, and then another one here, then create your leaves, and okay. Alright, so we can make this, find it. Okay, so decrease the thickness and draw simple grasses here. Alright, so this is simple. So we can add a silhouette of any person. So I'll draw a stick figure here. So I'll draw a stick figure. Sorry. So a stick figure, and I'm going to decrease the thickness, and then so and add some form to it. Okay. Okay, so I'll add form to this character here. Okay, Control Z, add form here to it, and add another form here to make it nicer. Okay, all right, so yes, so this is a simple way to draw a sunset in Paint 3D.